the kingdom of Mom. Maybe there we'll find a mission worthy of our, strength and, bravery.
Mom.
And so we journeyed on, hopeful that our amazing and heroic talents could be better used by Mom. She was bound to have something earth-shatteringly tough for us to do. Something daring, something dangerous, something really, really cool. Hey, Mom.
Yes, George.
Space pioneers across the stars, helping all both near and far. My mission is to do good deeds and never stop till I succeed. Dash Smasher and Space Pioneer Jr. at your service.
Oh, my. Two handsome young space heroes.
We are in search of a task worthy of our strength and bravery. Nothing is too dangerous. Got any ideas?
Well, you're just in time. I've got to prime these canvases. If you boys could help me paint them, I'd really appreciate it.
Well, that's not exactly what we had in mind, but...
Great. I'll run downstairs and get some more paint.
It's not very exciting, but it's something.
Me paint.
You paint? You bet! Try to stay inside the lines. Pretend it's one of your Space Pioneers coloring books.
Fun, George. Fun.
I'm glad at least you're having fun. Keep crawling. I'll get some more paint.
Ooh, pretty.
Whoa! Oh no!
Pretty butterfly.
Junior! Junior, no! Wait! Junior! Oh, brother, what a mess.
I'm back. Oh, my.
Pretty butterfly.
I guess we didn't exactly save the day, Mom.
Well, you did paint the canvases, and the floor, and the walls, and just about everything else. Here, let me save your day.
Don't you have any villains that need defeating, or any space princesses that need rescuing? You know, life and death stuff.
Well, you can save my garden from dehydration while I clean up in here.
That's better than nothing.
I'll be out to help as soon as I can.
And so we ventured out under a blazing alien sun. Lesser heroes would have turned back, but not the Space Pioneers. If there was something heroic to do, we would find it. Ah, look, Junior! The ancient forests of Kirkle 5, withering under the heat ray of Zutalor. We must save them! What's that? Wow, the flying blue Yacloons from the planet Foonblock.
Ooh.
It's just a mummy bird. She's gathering worms to feed her baby birds. See? There she goes. She's probably heading back to her nest.
Ooh, Mama.
Come on, Cadet. We gotta save Mom's plants. Or, you know, the ancient forests of Kirkle 5. Turn the tap just a little bit, Junior.
Okie dokie. Little bit.
That's right. A little bit.
Little bit.
That's not a little... Junior! Turn it! No!
Down. Down.
You turned it the wrong way!
Man.
Junior! Phew. The ancient forests of Kirkle 5 are saved.
Well, thank you. The flowers look much better. But I can see a space pioneer in need of a bath and a nap.
Me muddy, me have fun.
You're going to have to get along without your sidekick for a while.
Goodbye, Cadet Junior. Now, a captain without a crew or a ship is just a guy in a cool suit. So now what am I gonna do?
Get away from there! Hey, help! Help!
Aha! Sounds like someone's in need of a hero.
Oh no! Go away! Shoot! Shoot, you nasty cat! Get away from that nest! Ugh, get away from there!
Space pioneers across the stars, helping all, both near and far.
Look, I'm sure you're a nice little alien, but right now I'm trying to save that baby bird.
Actually, I'm George. I live here. I came to help.
You want to help? Try and scare away that cat. Look out!
Oh no!
Gotcha!
Good catch.
Thanks. That sure is a nasty cat.
You got that right. Sparkle Tangerine has been trying to make an hors d'oeuvre out of me for years. Is he okay?
Yeah, I think so. So you're George. I've heard about you. You're kind of famous around this neighborhood. Wow, you really are tiny.
Well, I'm a little short for my age, but hey, I think big.
I can see that. So George, what else do you do besides fly around and act like Dash Smasher?
You know who Dash Smasher is?
Of course, it's my favorite show. I'm Becky. I just moved in next door.
Wow, nice to meet you, Becky.